Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Transfer Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2019 Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E2506P. 15,000 miles, and this Ram comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black forest green in color. To be certified pre-owned, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Ram seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space, with additional in-floor storage with the removable bins for easy cleaning. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and power sliding windows for extra ventilation. Backup camera, along with parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. Easy lift tailgate. And very clean, as you can see. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with power adjustable pedals and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. CD player, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console, and dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, sliding window control and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, 395 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting our investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.